morning, my dear children. Sairam. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Now, children, I welcome you all in today's class. Children, today we are going to do conversation. Today we are going to do conversation. And our topic is at the beach. At the beach. Yes. So children, today we will learn that what do we see at the beach. Okay children, so let's start. Children, at the beach, first of all, what do we see? We see water. Okay, we see water at the beach, no? Yes. And what are these? Water waves. Waves like this. Water waves flow like this, no? Yes, these are water waves. Waves. W-A-V-E-S. Waves. Waves. Yes. Now children, what else we see? We see umbrella. We see umbrella at the beach like this. Okay, what is this? Umbrella. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Umbrella. Umbrella keeps us safe from the sunlight at the beach. Okay children? Yes, umbrella. Now children, what is this? What is this? Mat. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Mat. See, this girl is sitting on the mat. And this boy and this girl is relaxing on the mat. So what is this? Mat. 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 Yes. Now children, what is this? See, what is this? What this girl is wearing? Swimsuit. Swimsuit. S-W-I-M-S-U-I-T. Swimsuit. For swimming, what do we wear? We wear swimsuit. Swimsuit. Yes. Now children, what is this? Which creature is this? Yes, starfish. Starfish. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Starfish. See? Starfish. Its shape is like star. You can see? Yes, star. So it is starfish. Starfish. Yes. Now children, when we go to the beach, what do we do? What do we do, children? Yes, we play. We play with the sand. Yes, we make castle from the sand. Yes, see? This boy is making, Yes, this boy is making castle from the sand. Yes, S-A-N-D. Sand. C-A-S-T-L-E. Castle. Sand. Castle. Sand. Castle. Yes, my dear children. Now, children, what else do we see at the beach? We see some vendors. No? Vendor sells something, no? Yes. Like this. Man is selling. What he is having? He is having balloons. See, he is having balloons. He is selling balloons. Yes, see, children are buying balloons. Yes, so who is he? He is a balloon man. Balloon man. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. M-A-N. Man. Balloon man. Balloon man. Yes. Now children, what is this children? See, what is this? This is a oar. Oar. O-A-R. Oar. Oar helps us in boating. Okay. Oar helps us in boating. What is this? Oar. Oar. Yes. Now children, what they are doing children? See what they are doing. Boating. Boating. B-O-A-T-I-N-G. Boating. Boating. Yes. What they are doing? Boating. Yes. Now children, what is this? See. What is this? Steamboat. Steamboat. S-T-E-A-M. Steam. Steam. B-O-T. Boat. Boat. Steam. Boat. Steam. Boat. Yes. This is a steamboat. Now children, what do we see at the beach? Yes, we see seashell. Yes. See, what is this? Seashell. S-E-A. Sea. Sea. This is sea. And this is shell. S-H-E-L-L. Sea shell. Sea shell. Yes. Now children, what is this? See, what is this? While swimming, this girl is wearing this. What is this? This is a life buoy. Life buoy. L-I-F-E. Life. B-U-O-Y. Boy. Life buoy. Life buoy keeps us safe from the waves. Yes, from the water waves. Yes, it keeps us safe. Yes, we wear life buoy while swimming. Yes, it keeps us safe. Life buoy. Life buoy. Now children, what is this? What is this? Yes, ice cream parlor. Yes, ice cream parlor. Yes, see? At the beach, what is this? Ice cream parlor. I-C-E, ice. C-R-E-A-M. Cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. P-A-R-L-O-U-R. Parlor. Ice cream parlor. Ice cream parlor. Yes, we buy ice cream from the ice cream parlor. Yes. You like ice cream, no children? Yes. Ice cream parlor. Yes. Now children, we will do some question answers, okay? First question is, what do the vendors sell at the beach? What do the vendors sell at the beach? I told you na? Yes, balloons and ice cream. Yes, so the answer is the vendors sell ice cream and balloons. The vendors sell ice cream and balloons. The vendors sell ice cream and balloons. Yes, now children, second question. What do children do on the beach? What do children do on the beach? Yes, sand castles, no? Yes. Answer is they make sand castles on the beach. They make sand castles on the beach. They make sand castles on the beach. Yes. Now children, again we will revise. First question is, what do the vendors sell at the beach? Answer is, the vendors sell ice cream and balloons. The vendors sell ice cream and balloons. Yes. Now children, second question. What do children do on the beach? What do children do on the beach? Answer is, they make sand castles on the beach. They make sand castles on the beach. They make sand castles on the beach. Yes. Now children, this is your homework. You have to learn all the question answers and you have to revise the topic. Okay children, revise the topic. Now children, that's all for today. Thank you and Sai Ram.